This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, then this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level Slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and in this episode, I want to go over my trading results in KuCoin and KuCoin futures. That is not the spot trading, but KuCoin futures. KuCoin futures allows you to add leverage to your trade and also short the market and go long in the market. It allows you to do both. And this platform is so easy to navigate. I really love placing trades here. So what I want to do is first just show you guys my spreadsheet to show you my results of where I am today. And I am a downer day today. So far, I'm down 16%. The market has been going down today. It's been really crashing a little bit. But that's to be expected in the market. It has good days and bad days. Out of all the days that I've had, I've only had 2 bad days. One where I lost 8%, and then right now I'm at 16%. But I can make up for that. The market can change where I can close that gap. And that is something that I will be able to do today, hopefully. I know I have to go out today. And then when I come back, I'll see how the market is and see what kind of trades are out there at that time. But just to show you my progress since I've started on here is I started with $49. And I've been making, high percentages. I think I only had a 1% day here. And then pretty much all of them have been at least over 5%. And that's good. On my Kraken account, let me just show you guys that. The goal, I've been doing pretty well in that too. The goal is to just get 1% with the OK signals that we get. But, a lot of times I do a little bit better, and then sometimes I'm getting less than that percentage. But for the most part, I think this was a bad day here. So you're going to have some bad days in here. It's been pretty bad. The market's been pretty bad lately. So this account started with $100, by the way. And I've grown it. When I started tracking it, I had $128 in it. And I've grown it. And I've added additional funds to it. And I add those funds through money I make in Watermine. I've also pulled money out as well. As a matter of fact, like for example, today I pulled out like $500 actually. I pulled out $500 today. Okay. That I needed. I'll probably put it back, but I pulled out $500. So that's the beauty of it is in the Kraken platform. I know I was talking about KuCoin, but I jumped into Kraken really quick. I'll just put that there, and I need to change that amount to something else. So I'll update that later. But just to show you my, this is just to show you my progress here, that the percentages that I get in Kraken are a little less because I just really kind of strictly go by the signals on that platform. But KuCoin, I kind of do my own thing. I get some of the signals and put them in here too, but I also look for my own trades. So with that, I'm able to get higher percentages. Okay. And let me just show you guys what the goal is for me as far as what I want to make this spreadsheet is something you get when you join OKC 100K club, and you join their signals. They give you this spreadsheet, and I just utilized it for other things that I'm doing. So, excuse me. So 1% a day, like I said, has been the goal for our OKC signals, and our goal is, like, let's say with what I'm doing with just the 1% a day, and with just the 1% a day, starting with, like, let's just say I did only 1% a day, starting with a balance of, if you started at $100, okay, it will take, by 1% a day, it'll take you, after 1 year, which I want to show you. I think I went over this before in another video, but just in case you didn't see it, in 1 year, that brings you to $3,000. But let's just say I go by what my balance is. I took out that $500, but let's just say I put it back, and let's just say $925 was in my account. Okay, in 1 year, that's going to bring me to, with just 1% a day, $34,000. But let's just go by my signals. This is mine. I'm going to see if it lets me change it. I don't think it is. The way they have this spreadsheet set up, they have it where you can't change that. But let's just say I go by what I'm doing in my futures account. And my account balance is at $270.07. And I put $270.07 in here. And I averaged 1% a day, which I'm averaging way more than that. Way more than that. And I wish I could change that, but I can't. But even with that, after a year, I was there now, and then took myself out of it. Down further, it shows you a year. Okay, yeah, that's 2 years. Okay, that's 2 years, $381,000 in 2 years. That's at 1% a day. So I'm definitely going to be hitting more than that with the rate I'm going with the futures. And then after a year, it's $10,000 at only 1% a day. So yeah, we're gonna KuCoin futures is really gonna be great for me here. And anyone that wants to learn how to do this, you can by joining my Patreon community, learning how to trade this. I'll be doing some trading here on YouTube, but in my Patreon community, I'll do a little bit more exclusive content, and also you have one-on-one access coaching with me for that. So right now, let me just show you my results of my earnings out of each of these days. Each of these trades I've been in. Like I said, today's been, kind of crazy day. So my stop loss was hit a couple of times, but for the most part, I've been making profits each day. And again, I am able to close those gaps, the gap that I'm at now, to where I'm down 16% today. I'm doing some long-term holding in some of my trades because I'm predicting that they're going to go up before it hits my stop loss, based on how I read the charts, how I'm reading the charts. So for instance, I went in this trade, I don't really know, up in here, and I shouldn't have, because the market is going up, and it hit my stop loss. I thought I should have had it set a little bit further behind, because ETC has been going up. But what you do, you get your stop loss, it gets hit, and you go back in. Like right now, it hit this area right here, Okay, it's safe to say I can go back in here, and I am going to do that. I'm going to go in with $30 in this trade, and then I'm going to go long, confirm, long. All right, so it put me right into the trade. So now what I'm able to do is put a take profit in the stop loss. And what I'm going to do with this is I am going to shoot for 50% instead of 25%. That's what I did before. That way it gives me a little bit more wiggle room, because I am seeing this particular, let me just go to my trading view chart. Right now it's in a pullback, and this is on the 15-minute chart. This ETC Ethereum Classic has been going up and up and up. So in the long run, I see it continuing to do that. It's going to have its pullbacks. I see it getting higher and higher. But right now it's just pulling back. So I am going to sit on that trade for a longer than some of the short trades I get in. So that is my strategy with that. Let me go back to it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so yes. So see there, it's already in profit. If I wanted to just eat off of this a little by little, I could, and take some of that out and go back in. I could do that. But I am going to sit on this a little longer so I can close in the gap of my losses. That's what I'm going to do. So like I said, this is in a pullback right now, so it's probably going to go up. It's probably going to dance a little bit in this area and go up some more. So that's why. See, look at it. It's going up. So yeah, guys, that's how you trade futures and be profitable with trading futures. It's pretty simple to do on this platform. And how you take off your profits, it's something that I'll show you within my Patreon community on how you take your profits and what to do with it next, and how to slay the crypto space. That's something that I share exclusively in my Patreon community, slay the crypto space. But I will be showing you some more strategies here on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss out. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. So until next time, guys, I see you on the next level. Bye bye.